Australia's immigration system is under threat from visa fraud and exploitation. The Australian Border Forces conducted raids in Cairns uncovered alarming issues, highlighting the urgent need for reform. The Australian Border Force's three-day operation in Cairns targeted high-risk sectors like personal services and hospitality. And they found undocumented workers living on site, employers ignoring the Migration Act of Australia, and an agency is seeking reforms. This highlights systemic issues in Australia's immigration system, demanding immediate action to protect vulnerable workers and uphold legal standards. Border Force operation was bolstered by local partner agencies, employing a multi-agency approach to enforce visa compliance. Agency aimed to educate employers on legal hiring practices and assist exploited individuals. This collaboration is crucial for addressing the systemic issues in Australia's immigration system and ensuring the protection of vulnerable migrant workers. 3 individuals were found working without valid work rights, with 2 living illegally on site. This highlights breaches of visa conditions and employer negligence. Such conditions raise serious concerns about exploitation, wage theft, and coercive control, violating both immigration laws and the Fair Work Act of Australia. Living at work sites highlights severe exploitation, violating both immigration laws and the Fair Work Act. This situation underscores issues like wage theft and coercive control. Such practices demand urgent reform to protect vulnerable workers and uphold legal standards. Employers neglected the VIVO system, crucial for verifying work entitlements. This oversight undermines legal hiring practices. Border Force is emphasizing the necessity of routine VIVO checks to ensure compliance and protect migrant workers. It's imperative for employers to adopt this simple yet effective tool to uphold the integrity of our immigration system. Non-compliant employers will face severe consequences. They heavy fines, court proceedings, and even criminal prosecution for serious violations. The Migration Amendment, Employer Sanctions, Act, enforces penalties up to $315,000 for companies or imprisonment for individuals. This underscores the urgent need for reform in Australia's immigration system to protect vulnerable workers. Exploitation patterns are alarming, with underpayment and threats prevalent. International students and temporary skill shortage visa holders are particularly vulnerable, often unaware of their rights. This exploitation mirrors a national trend, highlighting the urgent need for reform in Australia's immigration system to protect these workers and ensure fair treatment. The Australian Border Force offers trauma-informed support to exploited migrants, providing essential services and bridging visas. This approach ensures victims receive the help they need, highlighting the urgent necessity for reform in our immigration system. Border Force believes it's crucial to enhance monitoring and compliance to protect vulnerable workers and uphold the integrity of our migration policies. The Cairns operation is part of a broader compliance strategy, emphasizing increased spot checks and data sharing. Education campaigns for employers and workers are crucial. This approach aims to prevent exploitation and ensure legal compliance, safeguarding both migrant workers and the integrity of Australia's immigration system. Public vigilance is crucial. Through the Border Watch program, confidential reports can be made anonymously, aiding in efficient resource allocation. This empowers communities to play an active role in maintaining immigration integrity and protecting vulnerable workers from exploitation. Visa integrity is non-negotiable according to one Border Force officer. Employers must ensure ethical treatment of workers to avoid penalties. Understanding legal responsibilities is crucial. The Australian Border Force's findings highlight the urgent need for reform. Employers must use the Visa Entitlement Verification online system to verify work entitlements, ensuring compliance and protecting migrant workers from exploitation. Migrants must be aware of their visa conditions and rights. Knowledge empowers them to seek help when needed. Understanding these aspects is crucial for protection against exploitation. Employers and advocates should support this empowerment, ensuring a fair and compliant system for all involved. Collective responsibility is crucial for a compliant migration system. Employers must verify work entitlements. Employees should know their rights, and citizens need to report violations. Together, we can shape a fair system, ensuring ethical treatment and legal compliance. Everyone's actions matter in maintaining the integrity of Australia's immigration framework. Accessing resources is crucial for navigating visa compliance and workplace issues. The Home Affairs website and Fair Work Ombudsman offer free legal resources and multilingual support. These tools empower employers and workers to ensure fair practices and protect migrant rights, reinforcing the integrity of Australia's immigration system. The Australian Border Forces operation underscores an urgent need for reform in Australia's immigration system. Ensuring visa integrity is crucial for our future. Employers must uphold legal responsibilities to protect migrant workers. Australia's border force is working hard and raising standards like of Canada, UK, and USA in order to remove illegals and protect vulnerable. Have you ever been exploited? If yes, then comment below how employers exploited you.